Agility. Balance. Agility is the ability of individuals to change direction or position in space with quickness and lightness of movement. Balance, capacity to control organic equipment neuromuscularly, the condition of being equal in weight, which affect the coordination of body parts.